how to manage your education settings on VK on Android or iOS phone. First open VK and then click on your profile here. Once you're here, click these 3 points in the top corner. Here is it. Click on it, then click edit profile. Now scroll all the way down and here we'll find education. Click on it and here you can manage your education settings. Click add school and select any school you want here, country, from, to, and anything you want, and then save it. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.